What's up guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today we're making no-bake cheesecake. Let's get started. For my base, I will be using plain crackers. You can use graham crackers or even Oreos. Whichever crackers you're using, place those in a Ziploc bag, close the bag, and then we'll crush them. You want to crush them really fine, kind of like sand particles, but it's also okay to have a few big pieces here and there. When that's ready, add in sugar and butter to your crushed crackers. Mix it so it resembles kind of wet sand consistency. And now we will spread this evenly on the bottom of a springform pan. I'm using a 7-inch pan. Either using a measuring cup or the back of a spoon, press this really tight so that there are no cracks. Cover and set in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and in the meantime, let's get the filling ready. For the filling, we will be using sour cream, cream cheese, and condensed milk. Put everything in the bowl of a stand mixer. I'm starting with the paddle attachment to smoothen the cream cheese a little bit, and then I will move to a whisk. While I'm doing this, why don't you take a second and subscribe to Honest Cooks? And you can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter and join our subreddit r/honestcooks. When the mixture is nice and loose, add in a spoonful of vanilla extract. I'm going to top off my cheesecake with a thin layer of caramel sauce, and for that I need a white contrast on the base, so I'm saving a few spoonfuls of the white mixture before I mix in the chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a microwave or on a double boiler when it's room temperature. Add it to your cream cheese mixture. The base should be ready by now, so we will pour in this chocolate mixture on top of the base and then set it in the fridge for another hour or so. I'm creating layers of chocolate mixture and vanilla mixture. I have to set it separately, but if you're not doing that, you can skip this step. The chocolate layer has set for at least an hour. I'm going to add in the vanilla layer, set that for another hour, and then we will top it off with some caramel sauce. A quick recipe of the caramel sauce is available on our ice cream video. Link will be in the description. After this step, I will set this in the fridge overnight, not in the freezer, in the fridge. To unmold your cheesecake on the second day, run a knife around the corners of the pan and very gently release it from the sides. The best toppings for this extremely rich and flavorful cream cheesecake is fresh fruits. I'm going for strawberries and blueberries. You can use any fruit combination that you like. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. I will see you next week with another video. Until then, have a lovely day.